Hello folks and welcome back. On this episode we're going to do window awnings on our Casita travel trailer. We're going to attach our awning to our trailer with what's called a Cater rail. That's the white bar that you see at the top up there. It's made out of PVC. It's got a C channel on the end of it that the actual awning is going to slide down into, and we just use VHP tape to hook it to the trailer. We purchased everything from Sailrite, and I'll put a link to their website. Main thing we did is we bought this awning material that you can see through it from them. It's got a PVC coating over the fabric. We bought the tape that goes around the edge of it to give it a nice finished end. That's right here. And then we bought the VHP tape, which we put on the back of the C rail, and that's what we hooked it up there with. And then this is the Cater tape that goes inside the Cater rail, and you'll see it's fabric and it just sews onto the actual awning. You also see it slides into the Cater rail here, and it would hold it in there tight. This is what it looks like when it's actually got the awning sewn to it and it's up here. On this end of the awning we just sewed a loop onto it. You'll see that, let me get around here to the end. We just sewed a loop, and then we took a piece of PVC pipe and put it through there, and we put a piece of rope on here to actually fasten it, and rubber feet on the end of the PVC tubing. On the other end it's going to be basically the same setup, and this is what's going to provide our tension to keep the awning tight. And that's what it looks like when it's all together. Here's a view of the awning from the inside of the trailer with it fully installed. You can see it gives you plenty of shade and plenty of view outside the window. To install the awning, all I did was just take and slide the fabric inside the Cater rail up there, hook my legs on, and just lift them up, put them on the lip that's on the side of the trailer. Once that's up there, I'm going to take my ropes that I've got here that are tied and give you my tension, and I'm going to pull them tight, one on each side. This is this side. We'll go over and do the other side now. And now you can see the awning is in and installed, and we're ready to camp and have some fun. When we finish camping, all we're going to do is just take the legs off, slide the awning out of the track here, take our legs and our cords and put them on the awning, and then we're going to roll it up, and so it's in a nice neat roll. And then we're going to store it inside the trailer on the bed so that it's ready for our next adventure. Well, that completes our window awning installation. We hope this helps you out. We thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the campground.